It's a pleasure for me now for the first time ever that we switch now live to a customer. So we leave Nuremberg and we go 65 kilometers east to Amberg. And in Amberg is the company Baumann Automation. And it's a pleasure for me to welcome Mr. Ebnet and Mr. Rauch from Baumann Automation. And they are standing in the middle of the factory hall. Now Baumann is a back-off customer for many years, system user, EtherCAT user, 7,000 machines in the field, and a very cool slogan, no guts, no glory. So I think, Mr. Ebnet, maybe you start with some basic information. What is Baumann doing actually overall?
Doing and where are we actually?
Yes, at Baumann we see ourselves as an internationally operating high-tech family business with over 1,000 employees worldwide. Our strengths, yes, include a high level of software expertise and 40 years of experience in mechanical design. Our customers mainly come from the automotive and the automotive supplier and electronic industries.
Now, I see you standing in Amberg at the factory shop floor, and right behind you is like a huge set of machines. So what is this machine doing and what is Baumann overall doing actually?
Yes, here behind me you see a machine that is in a testing machine for high power electronics, and we build it up in a Baumann-like way. That means Baumann Robox technology. Baumann Robox is a automation platform for this allows us to solve a lot of things what the customer's needs are. We have a software competence inside, software modules, and also modules of hardware systems that we can configure more or less that line, and it helps us.
Well, I think this is easier said than done, or we can just configure this, and I think this puts a big challenge to the technique. So, Mr. Rauch, you and your team are responsible for the automation, and I know that you decided years back to use TwinCAT and EtherCAT for your machines. Can you tell us what was the motivation for this decision?
We use more than 15 years now back-off. EtherCAT has one big advantage. We have just one bus system for different kind of requests. So we have normal I/O handling, we have drive functionality, we have safety functionality, and we have just one bus system. It's also in a wide range available on the market. So a lot of intelligent systems uses EtherCAT, like robot systems, like camera systems. So for us, the most important thing is that we have a flexible system with a good performance. And every request which we had in the past were fulfilled with EtherCAT.
Well, that's good to know that EtherCAT can fulfill all this. I just remember a statement Mr. Ebnet said at the beginning that you have software competence in-house. Well, honestly, this is good for you. But I mean, this competence needs to be transported over to the customer side. So what are the benefits for your customer that you have with TwinCAT and EtherCAT, this network established?
I think the main benefit is, in any case, the knowledge what we have on the system, that's clear. But also we can reduce online times at the customers if we have an upgrade or we have implement new functionality. It's standardized with EtherCAT, and I think we also have here a cost benefit for the customer.
Now, you know my heart beats for IPCs and panels, obviously, and I just saw behind you this wonderful back-off panel. I know it's a customized panel from us. Please, tell me, why have you decided also to customize your panel?
So operating system with the panel and our user interface is one central function of our machine. And we take a lot of focus on a nice shape, on a clear shape from the machine view. And that's therefore it was elementary for us to integrate the panel in our Baumann design. And yes, you see the result. We did it in the past with you, and I think we have here a good machine view.
Well, thank you, gentlemen, and also thank you for accepting the challenge of this live broadcasting from Nuremberg and Amberg. I just looked Google Maps. There's a little traffic jam on the A6. I think this is typical for the region, but if you jump into the car right away and speed up, I think in about 1 hour, you can be here. So maybe we see us later today at the booth.